Hey, how are you doing, man? Good morning, everybody. Yeah, BIF got merger or reverse split. We got a reverse split for this one. ULTA is pulling back. I'm watching for this one because had earnings yesterday. Expect a reversal for it sooner. If we held 559, we might have a huge reversal. Welcome, everybody. Welcome to our hunt for today. As we said, we got huge news on merger stock, so we're going to discuss it at the market open. We got interesting jump for a stock. So watch out. We got a unicorn on the expecting of acquisition. So one stock, it might be good to watch at the market open. We're going to discuss it in a bit. So let us wait everybody to tune in first. Good morning, Clifton. Abby, good morning. John, Lizzie, good morning. It's raining here, guys. We need the raining money. Today is raining here in France nonstop. Hopefully we get a bit of rain of money, especially for Mara, guys, because we got interesting breakout from the 870. And we got earnings lately for Mara. So expect a continuation for Mara, guys, because we got a big buyer still holding for Mara price around $8.30. As long as we hold here, we're gonna have a continuation for this play. And I think we already did the chart for it yesterday on our watch list. Yeah, we discussed Mara once the price was around the $8.42. And now already hit the $8.90 and going toward the 9. So the entry was really good around the $8.40 for Mara from yesterday. And now I'm still waiting for another continuation until maybe the 9.50 for today. If we have a really good green day, we might have 10%. 10% jump. Let's see, before the earnings. Yeah, we did 15% here. If we have a really good jump, Mara is back to do at least 10 or 15%, because right now it's 3%. If we did 7, yeah, we'll see. Yeah, we'll see if Mara break this current resistance will be hallelujah for today. Yeah, this is the strongest resistance, for my opinion, that we might test for today. We might test at the market open. ULTA, the same. We have huge earnings for this one. It's back to a reversal because it is still good, still strong, for my opinion, to have a reversal. Yeah, last bad earning were in August. Yeah. You got a question? Emoji Trader said Pay P. I think I was watching this one early on, but I don't like it. Pay P. Yeah, I think is a new IPO. Yeah, it is a new IPO. I will watch if we held the current support over 17 and the current resistance around the 1830. Yeah, it looked interesting. We still have a big buyer for it over those levels. Yeah, over the 1763. Yeah, not bad for my opinion. Not bad. PayP look interesting for today. Yeah, we got a lot of stocks have reverse split, but not everyone looking all right. STFS, we got PED and KXIN. Let us check those three. Yeah, this one not good. PED, no good. KXIN, no good. Anyway, so this is leave us with the BIAF and ISPC. Those the two that look interesting. And Mara, of course, for today, guys, looking pretty good. I think because cryptos is squeezing up today. Yeah, cryptos is squeezing up finally, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum, going for a new high, especially for Bitcoin over the 74. So yeah, today should be the day for crypto stocks. We might have 10% up. This would be fantastic if we have a 10% jump. And the ULTA, as we said, guys, have earnings. Expect a reversal for this one. If we held the 559, will be a good dip reversal. This one might reverse 5 or even 9. Those are the two level that we might test for today. The first level, yeah, we have a bit of movement for ULTA. Anyway, so guys, those the main unicorn. Let's see, we got another stock is having acquisition. We're gonna add it a little bit. So yeah, BIAF, the top gainer with the ISPC. We have a pullback after testing the 199, which is the current resistant that we discussed for our elite member. Of course, we did the chart analysis update here. The price was around the 194 and we said the 199, as you can see here, before we hit the resistance. Now we pulling back right around the $1.99. You see? This update, we did it on our Discord for one of our elite members, David. Hopefully you took your profit around this level because we have a bit of weakness now around this resistance. But if we held over the support would be okay, around the 167. The other one, we got ISPC. We have a seller right around the 47. And current support is the 39. If we held the 39 would be great for today, this one. ADBE had earnings yesterday as well. Think we got a seller for it. That's why we pulled back around this level. Yeah, Mara still continue, guys. Today we might have a 10% jump for sure. Look really strong. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. We got a huge day ahead of us. As you can see here, we have a huge wick. So there's someone buying over the 559 for ULTA. Yeah, someone loading up on Mara, guys. There's someone buying Mara right now before the market open. So it's back to a huge jump, maybe around the 10. Okay, let's get right to it. We got huge news that we should expect a turning point for one of the stock that we should watch out for. Acquisition is underway. We got, of course, BELI, guys. One of the stock is have a turning point right now because we got acquisition for it's coming up with Greenland Energy, and the ticker symbol will be GLND, the upcoming closing name. So the Green Land Energy Company, this is still on the making, scheduled for March 17. So the next week we got acquisition news for the stock. So I'm gonna watch this one closely because first is the energy stock play, and second is acquisition play. And now, as you see, is PLI next week, guys. Watch out for this one. Will be GLND for the ticker simple that have acquisition coming up. Watching Mara right now, he's getting near a major resistance, but I'm expecting another jump for it. ULTA is still have a bit of seller. If we broke the support, I watch for a reversal here. Yeah, Mara is still jumping up, guys. It could be really good for today. ULTA trying to reverse as well here. I'm watching ULTA, guys. We might have a reversal. Mara still going up. ULTA still not ready yet. We should have a reversal here. Anyway, BIAF, we're still holding the support here. ISPC still holding the support. PELI, as we said, right now is light on volume, but as we said, we're gonna have a huge expectation after the acquisition. Let's see if we got this ticker. Yeah, still not now. Next week, this ticker will be on the Nasdaq. Yeah, ULTA, we have a big buyer right now. Okay, this one had reverse is just 2%. S had earnings as well and push back up right now. ADPE, we have a breakout. Huge jump for ADPE right now, guys, from this resistant. Yeah, I think we're not ready yet for ULTA. B jumping 3%. Mara pulling back a little bit. Same for Coinbase. So, what we should expect from this play, guys, because everybody talking about energy stocks and the things going on with the war going on with Israel and Iran. This one is oil and gas exploration production market size is right now is around almost 18 billion. So and increasing by 12% by the 2034. So yeah, this one is really interesting because uh, the acquisitions for those companies regarding oil and gas exploration. And yeah, for now is light on volume. So the action always happened after the acquisition. That's why we have for this one a bit of volatility. I think the news before the jump or before the acquisition news, we have a really good jump in the beginning of this year. And now we got a pullback, and acquisition should be next week with the name, as we said, the GLND. So I'm going to keep it on the list and see if we're going to have some movement for it later on. Mara is pulling back a little bit from the resistance. I expect a test around the 950, guys. This is the test that we should have for Mara in order to have a huge jump for today. We got ULTA trying to go up for today. Still nothing here. Yeah, it's still trying. Let's see. Yeah, we still have accumulation phase for this one. What the? Okay, Mara is still trying to go up again. BIAF, we got a breakout, guys, from the 199. ISPC, no good. Yeah, it broke the support. Mara is going up again. I think Mara will do a nice jump today. If we broke the 950, yes, we might have the 10. Let's see how much we could do if we jumped another 2%. Yeah, the market doing all right now. I think we got the earnings back in the end of last month. Yeah, Mara want to go over the 10 this time. We got accumulation here. We got this. Mara trying to go up. Yeah, we got a lot of things going on in the market. BIAF might get halted, guys, so be careful. Again, as a reminder, we got acquisition play for the next week. PELI, guys, looking fantastic. Next week, we got this one. The ticker will change to GLND. This is gas and oil play, guys. So energy sector. As everybody, energy sector right now is on the focus of many investors. And the acquisition was scheduled on the 17th of March, I think next week. Watch out for this one, guys. It could be really good to watch. ULTA, guys, might be the one to watch as well. If we have held the 559, this one could give us a huge reversal. Had the good earnings, not that bad, but we pulled back 8%. It is on the all-time high, so it's just correcting down. And yeah, this is the first bad earnings since 2024. And we recovered the last time we have bad earning, we recovered big time. Even the bad earnings on the 24 August were worse than the one that we have now. We pull back and then we reverse almost 30%. So this one could be a good opportunity for buying discounted price. So I'm watching it closely. If we held here, it means someone loading up on this one. So watch out, guys. Mara, the same is going for test the $9.50. Today might give us 10% or more, 15%. If we jumped over the 950, it could be really good. Come on, we need the breakout here around 938. Welcome, everybody. As a reminder, we always go live every day to discuss the market. So if this is the first time for you, remember we always go live every day, except for the weekend. We don't do anything. The market is closed, so we need a more push for Mara here, guys. A little bit more push toward the 950. Now 7%, 8, 9. BIF, the one, guys, this is the one. This is the one that did a really great job. Jumped to all our profit taken, and now is getting near a major resistance. Marad might pull back from the 950. I think this is a huge resistance. That's why we have a struggle. Watching ULTA closely. BIF is getting near a resistance. This one had a reverse split lately, guys. Wow, ADBE did a really great job today. The same for us. This one trying. Still checking the market for other opportunities here. Yeah, ADBE started to reverse, watching it closely here. Did a really good job of reversing and holding the support. Even though we have really good earnings, it pulled back a lot. So yeah, ADBE might be good to watch. So I think ADBE And RBRK could be interesting for today. B is a bit slow. Mara still slow. ULTA, guys, I'm still waiting for a reversal for this one. Let us check your questions. Welcome, Richie. Richie, EONR. You have to. We took it from the list for a reason, brother. EONR. EONR. Next time, brother, if you want help, just check our Discord to send me a message over there really quick, because you see on the live streaming, I'm a bit late to check your questions, brother. And I thought like you already sign up, because last time you asked me about how to sign up. I already sent you the link. For EONR, brother, it's getting near a major support right now. We said it, the 196, brother, is the resistant. Why you don't take your profit? Because the price hit the resistant and pulled back. Now it's getting near the support with the $1.17, but it's not good to trade for now. BIF is the #1 stock. Yeah, watching ADBE. It might break here. Mara is still strong, strangely strong. And it's still holding the gains. I needed to pull back down toward the $8.90 for re-entry. Yeah, I'm gonna put. Yeah, it could be good for re-entry maybe. Yeah, ULTA is still holding the gains. BIF is still continue higher. Richie, can't trade on the market close. Don't hold overnight, or check other broker that give you the ability to trade after hours. Otherwise, don't hold after hours, man. This is gambling. It's not trading. Neo, look at Neo. I will check it out. Wow, Neo 4%. Yeah, double top. Neo double top, guys. Double top did really great job here for reversal. 6%. Yeah, not bad. Neo looking interesting. VIF is still going. Unbelievable. Unbelievable for Mara. Still jumping. Still waiting for this one to have a reversal. There's no interest from the buyers yet. Yeah, I don't like this reaction, man. 3 p.m. Think we got some news right now. Job opening and consumer sentiment right now. So we might have a volatility for silver. Which kind of bounced back from this support. Yeah, there's still someone buying the dip here around the 559 or 563. Yeah, maybe I will load up on this one as well. Okay. I think this is it for Mara, guys. Almost hit the resistance. So we might have a pullback. This time a big pullback. We have a questions. Jean said, why uh, Trump coin going so up? I think he's bumping it. Maybe he buying. Maybe he's buying his own coin. Trump Trump USD. Holy moly. 47%. Going for $4. It was Thursday. Right now it was just $2. Are you kidding me, man? Yeah, it jumped big time. And I think we got some news. Trump token. Uh-huh. So Trump maybe attend the gala invite. Uh-huh. There's something here. There's Mar-Lago access for investors. Jumped big time. Anyway, they just pump it, then they dump it. It's too risky play. Yeah, Mara might pull back. If the pullback will be really great, around maybe even the 9, but it's strangely strong. Yeah, ADB that didn't break the 265. ULTA, I'm still waiting for a reversal here, holding tightly, but there is no volume yet. Maybe we're gonna have the volume next week, but now it's kind of sleeping over the support. But I'm still not excluding it from jumping. AAOI, we got a huge seller for it around the 105. Yeah, I think we got the big seller for Mara. Yeah, we hit a big seller here. Now, yeah, time for a pullback. Yeah, still silver and undecided, guys, inside this channel. ADBE, we might have a reversal here if we held over the 250. Going back to test the support for ULTA or for ADBE. If we held, we're gonna have a reversal. Otherwise, we're gonna pull back. Moment of the truth. Are we gonna have a reversal? Okay, guys, this is it for now. We're gonna discuss BIAF and other stocks later on our Discord. BIF is the #1 stock. We're gonna do update for it later on, and update you about ULTA as well because it look interesting for reversal right now. So watch out for a huge reversal. And yeah, have a great weekend and see you all back by tomorrow, everybody, or Monday, of course, not tomorrow, on Monday. In the meantime, thank you for watching and see you all back by Monday.